Hey everybody, this is Chris, and I'm excited to share my prototype with you all. What I've created is a collaborative learning space for learning experience design professionals, and the purpose of the space is to discuss AI tools and how they can be used for for learning and how we can leverage them both as designers and facilitators of learning, and also to learn ourselves. And what you'll find is that throughout the site, there are a number of ways to navigate it, which is one of the things I'm most proud of. So not only do we have our menu here on the left, which is our full site navigation. Along the right, you will also see various points and calls to action via the buttons that make navigating to the specific sites easy as well, a bit easier that way, as well as the additional resources such as my portfolio and then contact information. On the left hand side, we have a static image. It's the purpose of that is to kind of create continuity amongst a theme for the page. On the right hand side, we have all the text. And because all of the pages throughout the site have this same structure, it makes it easy for the user to know and understand what to expect. So the navigation is the same throughout. We have either the main menu or the call to action buttons. And then we also have all of the content presented on the right hand side in this scrolling fashion. So if we go ahead and click explore case studies, I added, not only to orient the site, some text, which is an explanation of how to use this space. So if you select a title to explore, it enacts this accordion feature. The accordion feature displays that particular case study. For some of the longer case studies, I also included a PDF version so that it didn't overwhelm the site with text here. But other ones, you'll see there are videos or simply just the text itself, depending on what the case study is. And then the collaborative element that I've been able to incorporate so far is the share your story submission form. Pardon me. It is using Google Forms. I created a way for users to submit their own case studies to be featured on the source on the previous page. On the site on the previous page. So what the purpose of this is to elicit that sort of conversation, or at least that engagement with the content. Originally, I had hoped to be able to embed a forum directly into the site. However, that's proving a little bit difficult just given the parameters of Weebly. But it is something that I am considering for either a second iteration of this or future projects that have a similar feel. So my next steps is I'm going to be bringing this as a prototype to my team. And internally, I would love if my team was able to start something like this so that we have a collective resource for professional development and ongoing exploration of some of these type of topics. So whether we go with this one specifically and move forward with this, or whether we create our own, I think I have a solid prototype that I can position to the team and say, this is something we could do and how we can leverage it. So that's really what I'm excited about when it comes to my piece. I look forward to everybody's feedback, and I appreciate your time.